challenge each and every one of you out there who has a leaf blower and a softball to try this. It's way harder than it looks. I finally did it. Do you have any idea how much practice that took for me to pull that off right there? You want to have some fun? Go grab your leaf blower and a softball and try that. It's fun. Hey, you know what? If you can't have fun on a YouTube channel, what's the point? Come on, everybody. Put some comments down right underneath this channel in the comment section. If you try it, tell me in that comment section what leaf blower model and make that you're using. Tell me how it worked out for you. Till the next time, guys and girls. Cheers. Steve out.